In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't post story. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple and easy. Just go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager right here, go to the apps, and now scroll down, go to Instagram. Now here on this page you will find the app informations. All what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on the force stop option. This is the first one that you have to click on. And after you click on the force stop, now you have to go down to the power usage details and click again here on this force stop option. And then go to the power consumption alert and make sure that it's enabled. And then go back and this time go to the app details and it will open directly the Google Play Store. Right here you need to check if you have the last version of Instagram. If you don't have it, then click on update. And that's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.